Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best TRX mining website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your mobile number here, enter your login password, set your security password, this is the invite code and this is the captcha code you have to fill here, and after filling all the details click on sign up. So wait, let me sign up. After signing into a website, you will see this type of interface, personal mining integrated, and this is the company's paper, official traffic and all about this. After scan done, here you can see 8000 TRX, so this is the best part of that. After scrolling down here you can see deposit, user withdrawal, share, team, app and logo section, and this is the wallet and promotion account. After scroll down here you can see join to Witron Millionaire. This is the platform, data, display, accumulated and membership, and this is the about the company. We are the best cloud mining, offered a potential cost effective way of mining for Bitcoin TRX, and this is the company's global partners WazirX, CoinDCX, JNS Mining, CoinMint, Bitmain, Binance. After I click on trading section, here you can see 7% cloud mining trading, so this is the best part of that. I click on here, you can see investment cycle 1 day, 7 day, 30, 90, 180 and 365. I click on 1 day cycle, here you can see starting amount 5, maximum 10, cycle 1 day 5%, and I click on this, and this is the cycle 7 days, 30, 90, 180 and 365. I click on this, here you can see doso, and I click on 30, here you can see this is all about this, and this is the daily 999 offer. So now I click on refer and earn section, refer and earn. If one of your friend or family register with your link, you will earn some reward, so start sharing today and earning today. So this is the way, so copy this link and sharing with your friends. I click on mine section, you can see deposit and withdrawal. I will explain it later. I click on team section, here you can see level 1, level 2, level 3 team, so how many people are registered with the link. I click on profit list section, here you can see all income and gains. I click on transfer to basic account, you can transfer your basic account to promotion account. You can also download the company app to get better interface. So now I will tell you how to deposit. I click on deposit, here you can see 2 account. I click on this transfer to basic wallet. So here the TRX address, I copy this address. Now I go to my crypto wallet, wait. After that I click on Tron, I click on send, here I fill the address, here I fill the amount, so I click on continue. So it takes only 5 to 10 seconds to complete the payment, so wait for the payment completion. So within 5 to 10 seconds my transaction will be completed. So I will tell you how to transaction is completed. So I refresh it, it depends on your network. So here you can see my transaction is completed. Now I go back to a website back. After coming back to a website back, click on recharge completed. After clicking on recharge completed, your balance will be updated in 5 to 10 seconds, so wait. After that, here you can see my balance is updated. So now I click on profit list section, here you can see all the result. So I will now tell you how to withdraw. Click on withdrawal, here enter the quota limit 0.40, and here I enter the wallet address, and here enter the security password. So I click on confirm. So here you can see my withdrawal is successful. So withdrawal is successful. Now I explain all in details. You can also download company's app. So this is the sharing section, investment cycle, I explain all in details. This is the trading and home section. You can also download app. This is the company's global partner. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.